What's up, guys? Welcome back to Two Wicked RC Boats. I'm out here at the river this morning and I have my Oxidean Marine Animal Twin Cat out at my favorite spot. It's nice and calm and like to try to do some speed runs. So see what we got, guys. Track, start, stop, read, 0. Track, start, movement. See what we can do, you guys. Watch out for these fishermen. These guys always get out here before me. Curiosity. That was nothing. But we'll see what we can. Just curiosity, you guys. Movement. 103. Alright, guys. Track, start, stop, read, 0. Track, start, movement. Trying to get it so we don't have any ripples. Let's give it a second, let those calm down. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna drive it down there, let it sit down there for a minute, let these ripples calm down. Just don't know how far those fishermen have their poles out to. I don't want to get caught up in their stuff. Yeah. Let's go down there, sit for a minute. I'd love to get this thing full throttle. I'd love to try to get it full throttle. Alright, let's let it sit down there for a minute. Let these ripples calm down. See what we can do. It'd be so much nicer. Get it about there. Wide open throttle would be amazing. Let's see. Just had to put some new stingers on this boat. Yesterday, something broke in there. I wanted to take it out last weekend, put it in, check the flex cable, and that thing was wobbling back and forth. It's like, yep, not taking the chance. Don't need to break a flex cable plus more going at the speeds that, you know, these boats go at. Oh, man, these ripples are right there in my way. Give it another minute, you guys. Let these ripples calm down. I feel like they just move away so slow. Let's let those pass a little bit further. Yep, she's still sitting down there. We got those ducks. Finally got a day where there's no wind, you guys. It's been really windy out here lately. Finally, no wind, calm water. I'd like to get a good number out of this. Alright. I think we're pretty good on the ripples. Where are we at? Right there. Started lifting, but I also hit the throttle pretty fast. Let's see what we got. It's close to full throttle, but not full. She was riding nice. Let's see what we got, you guys. Movement. Read. 130, you guys. New PB. 130 miles an hour. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. 130, you guys. Animal twin cat. 130 miles an hour. That is what we want. Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am shaking over here. Oh man, 130 miles an hour. Whew. I'm gonna let this thing sit. We're going for one more. We're going for one more, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. All right. New PB, 130, you guys. All right. Oh man, let's do this one more time. Track, start, stop, read, 0. Oh my gosh. Track, start, movement. Oh my gosh. Oh. Let's see what we got. Whew. 130. So make sure I'm far enough away from those fishermen. Don't want to mess up their lines. But yeah, we're gonna do the same thing. Let it sit down here for a minute. Oh, you guys, I have been wanting that. I have been working on that. Whew. Oh, yes. All right. All right. I think I'd squeeze full trigger for maybe half a second. Maybe half a second, you guys. Felt like it was starting to lift and... Oof, 130. Let's sit down here. Again, for me, guys, I'm sorry for the long video, but I just want this calm water. I want to see what I can do with this. I want to push this thing. That was amazing. Just let these ripples calm down. That was exciting. I am still shaking, you guys. I am still shaking. Just want these ripples right here to go a little further away. I'm gonna stay more in the middle of the river, stay away from those fishermen. Don't want to piss them off. Let's give it another minute. See if we can do this again. There it is. There it is. All right, I think they're pretty much gone out of my way. That was smooth. I don't think 130 again. All right, let's see what we got. This will be it with this. That was some good runs right there, you guys. I am happy with this. Happy. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, you guys. Movement, stop, read, 122. Yeah, that wasn't nothing. All right, you guys, the new PB today, 130. I am there. I am happy. We will be back for more with this boat, you guys. We will be pushing this thing. Look at that. Also, shout out Alan. Bam Racing, baby. Alan got some nice stuff. Hit him up, you guys. Yeah, 130, new PB, animal, twin cat. I think right now that is an amazing speed. And hey, please like, subscribe to my channel, you guys. And thank you guys for checking it out. You guys have a great day.